Window treatments are the key to making a house feel like a home, and they can be really hard to get right. To be honest, window treatments are probably the hardest thing for me to design. So if you're in the same boat, hop on in because I have a few affordable options to share with you that I adore, and they will make any space incredible. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Whitney and I help you DIY a cozy home. Today, I'm going to be reviewing 3 of my favorite window shades that I bought from Amazon, one of them being right up here. Each of them have their own uniqueness, unique design style, and functionality. I'm going to walk you through their features, quality, and performance. Now, window treatments, window shades are an investment. They can get insanely priced, and I don't know why, but all of the 3 I'm sharing with you today are budget friendly. They're all from Amazon. I will have everything linked down below for you. Make sure you're subscribed because next week I'm going to be reviewing a luxury window design shade from the shade store that I put in one of my clients' homes. They are nice, but so pricey. So stay tuned for next week to see how those luxury shades compare to these budget-friendly options, if it's really worth the investment, or if you should stick to something a little bit more affordable like this. So these are my latest obsession. I put them all around this kitchen and dining room. I love them so much. This kitchen needed these. These are the bamboo blinds from, I'm pretty sure it's Hypus brand on Amazon. They are natural and a little bit rustic looking. The listing says that they are both perfect for indoor and outdoor use. I will get to my thoughts on that here in a second. The sizes are totally customizable. These are custom blinds. And these are by far the easiest to install with just a simple hook. The bamboo material adds a warmth and texture to any space, which I love. The stitching and thread quality is incredible. The construction of the shade itself is very sturdy and durable. They're super simple to operate. It's just a pull cord. They also include a cord anchor to keep all of your cords tied up and out of the way. Just gonna tie a little knot, cut it off, and then the cord will stop right about here. When you are shortening your little toggle, make sure that when your curtain is fully extended, there's still a little bit of room up here. You don't want it to be too short where you can't fully extend your shade. You don't need all of this extra cord just kind of hanging out. It's just gonna get in the way and get tangled. These shades are light filtering, but they are not blackout. They do allow a lot of natural light to come in while offering some privacy, which is the perfect combo, especially for a kitchen and dining room setting. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like when the shade is down. This is when the shade is fully up. Definitely is light filtering. It's not 100% light blocking, but it gives it such a nice, cozy warmth in here without it being too blackout. So when I ordered these, I ordered them to be 5 inches longer than I need. And here, twofold. Here's 2 reasons why. One, it's a design choice. I like the way it looks. I like that there's like a heavier weight to the bottom. It makes it feel, you know, a little bit more robust. Also, when you have things that roll, sometimes when they're fully extended, go to roll them up, sometimes they'll start to roll backwards, or they'll roll backwards then forwards. I wanted to just keep a roll already established, so when you go to pull them up, they can just follow the roll that's already there. If you do like to have a roll like this, you're gonna have to factor in at least a good extra 5 inches on the total length of your shade. They come in a ton of different color options to suit any space. I was a little bit concerned that these were gonna be like a whitewashed look because one of the listing photos was pretty light, but they're not. They're the perfect shade of nice wood clean bamboo, and I'm so happy. I love the color. The only con I really have about this is the listing does say that they are suitable for outdoors. I don't think I would put them outdoors. They are a little bit too delicate to really withstand like outdoor. I mean, I guess you could, but they're a little bit too expensive for me to justify putting them outdoors. If you are looking for an outdoor option, I would choose these ones. They're a little bit more inexpensive, so if one does get damaged, you can replace them quite easily. And then again, don't worry, I will have everything we're talking about today linked down below so you can go check those out. The only other con is that they took forever to get here. So they are custom made, and I know it takes time to custom make things. I love these so much that I think they're definitely worth the 8-week wait. But if you are planning on doing something like this in your home and you need them by a certain time, I would factor in a good 6 to 8 week, probably 8-week wait for these. They're worth the wait, but if you are on a time schedule, I would get these ordered early on in your design process if this is something that you're going to do. Overall, these are great if you are looking for a budget-friendly option that looks sophisticated and adds in a little bit more of a natural vibe into your space. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Next up are the Arlo Bamboo Roman shades. Now I love these as well. These are actually one of the top selling shades on Amazon. Go figure. Everybody, you guys got good taste. You got good taste, and I trust you. They have this beautiful sheer finish, although the wood is nice, rich, and dark. I love that combo. They are perfect for creating a soft, natural, light ambiance without completely blocking out the sunlight. I love the quality of the bamboo. It feels very sturdy, very well made. Plus, the cordless design makes them safer for homes with kids or pets. The cordless mechanism is super easy to lift up and down. It doesn't get stuck or get crooked. And the shade looks great, either fully open or fully closed. I like how it kind of accordions at the top when it's closed. It has a nice pleat to it. It looks great. The installation hardware is included and it's relatively straightforward to install. The shades are just a little bit on the heavier side, so you may need a helping hand. But other than that, it's super easy to put up. The only con to these is they kind of let in quite a bit of light for how dark they are. It's actually kind of surprising. But it's really cool if you're trying to do that like moody, dark aesthetic on the inside, but you still want quite a bit of light to come through. It's perfect for that kind of situation. It does make it a little tricky if you are trying to put these in a room that has a TV in it. Let me show you why. The only thing that's not super stellar is you can see me in the TV, right? You can see my reflection. These Roman shades are not completely blackout. So if you have, it's kind of hard to watch TV during the day without the big glare of the light coming in through the shade on the TV. It's pretty much my only issue I have with these. I love them. I think they're beautiful. I think they're great. I love the light filtering quality. But if you do have a window opposite of your TV, it makes watching TV during the day a little bit more tricky. These are perfect if you're looking for a high quality, polished, cordless Roman shade. They are perfection. I love them so much. It's just a little bit tricky with the TV situation. So next up, if you're looking for a really nice quality, but a practical roller shade, have this one shade where it's geared towards being able to see out, but not being able to see in. I got these for my Manhattan apartment a couple of years ago, where my apartment windows directly faced another apartment, and I wanted privacy. Like I wanted to have a shade down, but I still wanted to keep all the light coming in. But I didn't want people to see me. You know what I mean? I wanted to see out, but I didn't want people to see in. And this option is fabulous for that. I actually, when I moved from that apartment, the girl who took over my lease was like, can I buy these from you? Because these are perfect. I did buy a second pair that I have yet to put up, so I'm going to show you those here in just a second. Another great thing about these shades is they are thermal insulated and they do have UV protection, which makes these like way more energy efficient, which is a bonus. They're also waterproof, so you can use them in your bathroom or in your kitchen. The fabric has more of a utilitarian style to it, but I think it's still really beautiful, and I think it can fit into a lot of decor styles. The installation hardware does come with it. It's probably the trickiest to install of the three I'm mentioning today. It's not super difficult. The instructions are very clear. There's just kind of a lot of pieces that go to it. The mounting hardware slides into the end of the roller shade, and then you mount your mounting brackets either on the underside of the window or on the back of the window, and then everything just kind of clips in. You can totally do this by yourself. It's just, there's a little bit more moving parts than the other ones. If you are in a pinch and you're not looking to buy something online and you need to go buy something from a big box store, I'm not sure if all hardware stores offer this, but you can ask in the blinds department if they have a blinds cutting machine. And a lot of the times they do. You can buy the roller shade and you can have them cut it down to size. That's an option, but the edge where they cut is never like super perfect. And if you're a perfectionist and especially if you're a designer and you're wanting to do something like really nice for a client, I would not go that route. I would custom order the right size that you need from this brand. It's just way better quality and it looks way more polished. So there you have it, my 3 current favorite shades from Amazon. I'm actually getting ready to design another house here shortly, so I'm sure I'm going to have some more recommendations for you. So make sure you're subscribed so you can see those reviews in the future. And then also don't forget, next week I will be doing a review of the luxury shade. So stick around for that. But I will see you all on the next one. Bye.